Okay, I can't see shit.
Just keep it on there. It'll focus. See it?
Okay, got it. Go get him, Tiger.
Marine Corps.
This would be a lot more fun if we had some beer.
Alright, you shooting?
Yeah, I got it rolling. It's blurring up. Okay, got it.
Got it?
Yeah, go for it. It's alright, that pistol's made for short-range body shots. .22's probably going to be up and to the right. Debris rain down on over here. There's nothing left. Let's go take a look. There you go, Sarah. There's your hero right there.
Oh, shut your fucking mouth.
Come on, he did that for you. He did that for you. Come on, smile for her.
Fuck you. Here, put this on safe.
There you go.